So over here, you can see that in this particular slide, I have some images right here, which has been inserted out by AI. But if I want to go ahead and insert out my own image in the presentation, then I can simply go around over here onto the top, click on Insert Image, and it will open up this particular window right here. You can see that it opens up the Explorer window. So now you can go around and select out an image that you want, click on Open, and you can simply go ahead and insert out an image just like this. So the image gets uploaded and it gets inserted on the slide that is open. So you can go ahead and then resize this out as you want right here, just like this, and keep it wherever you want. If you don't want this image, then simply go around and click on Replace and then choose another image of your choice. Press Open right here, and then that particular image will be replaced with the one that you chose. So here you can see that it is uploading right here, just like this. And in a while, that particular image will be replaced out just like this in that location. So that is how you can go ahead and insert out images in slide inside of Terabox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.